The Fiii Slushie Machine stands out with its advanced QuickChill Technology, enabling it to transform liquids into slushies within 15 to 45 minutes without the need for ice. With a generous capacity of 92 ounces, this machine is ideal for family gatherings and small parties, and its powerful compressor ensures efficient and quiet operation. Offering versatility, the Fiii Slushie Machine allows you to create a range of beverages from milkshakes to margaritas with ease, thanks to its user-friendly recipe guide. The machine's LED display and 6 preset modes, along with 10 adjustable thickness settings, provide a convenient way to customize your frozen drinks at home. A self-cleaning function and dishwasher-safe removable parts make maintenance easy, allowing more time for enjoyment rather than cleanup. For optimal results, it is recommended to maintain a sugar content of at least 4% for juice slushies and an alcohol concentration between 2.8 and 16% for alcoholic slushies.